seems out of place. You leave it just in case.